Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am pleased to present to you our work in Lae, Morobe Province. It's about a technology that we have developed, watershed technology. It's about technology shift from the old way of doing water supply, constructing water supply in rural communities. We have shifted that focus from simple water taps to what we call kitchen taps and wash stations. Women in the villages can have access to all these facilities to reduce their workload, drudgery of walking long distances to get water. And also it empowers women to meet and talk about their own issues. And this is one of the small video that we have captured while this couple were doing laundry, and we got them by surprise. And that's what that facility has been developed for. It's one of the video that we got in Wafi, one of the impact communities of Wafi Golpu joint venture, the communities that will have the mining. In the project, we also make sure good water is abstracted from the soil, from the head, and then we pass it through improved systems, and then we store the water and we deliver the water to the communities. In the community, we came up with one of the innovation that's called Aqua Flash Latrine. We use the water that we get from the mountain, and then we deliver into communities to provide access to sanitation. We also light up the facilities with light so that it can give access to mothers and girls to use the facilities at night. We also train the rural the communities on maintenance of the wash facilities, and some of them happen to become skilled in this area and they get employed. Some of the water technicians are now working with us. Some of these photos or videos that we are showing is the hardship, the challenges that we went through in order to deliver the services to the rural communities. That's Makam River. We are going upstream into the rural communities. So the challenges are very big. We have some of the challenges like terrain in some areas, weather conditions, though it's difficult to deliver such services into the communities, but we managed to deliver those services. Watershed technology is actually a concept that was designed to, eliminate the drudgery and hardship that is faced by women. And it's actually abstracted from the word wash, water, sanitation, and hygiene. And wash was too general, so I actually came up with this thought of, rephrasing or paraphrasing or rebranding the name wash, and I actually came up with the word watershed. And the word she is sanitation, hygiene, empowered. So we are trying to empower the women to actually become players, the main players of this particular concept. And that project actually, or these ideas actually gain a lot of momentum in impact right across Morobe, and I believe it is scalable. And probably with support from our partners, from the government, from aid donors, we can actually move and venture into other communities to deliver this concept. Thank you.